morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Teacher.
Alright, everyone. Let's start our lesson with a short video. Watch carefully and look at those tiny living things you see in the video.
Hi kids, have you ever heard of microorganisms? They're tiny living things that are so small you can't see them without a microscope. Some microorganisms are bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Don't worry, not all of them are bad. Some microorganisms help us, like the ones in our tummies that help digest food, or the ones used to make yummy cheese and yogurt. Cool, right? But some can make us sick, which is why it's important to wash our hands and stay clean. Microorganisms are everywhere in the air, water, soil, and even on our skin. Even though they're super tiny, they play a big role in keeping the planet balanced. So next time you think about invisible things, remember the amazing world of microorganisms all around us.
Interesting, right? So, who can tell me what do you understand about microorganisms?
Udah 3.
They are tiny living things that we cannot see with our eyes, teacher.
3.
Exactly. Today, we are going to learn about effect of microorganisms in our daily life. Some are good and some are harmful. Let's look at a few pictures. Let's look at the first pictures. Have you ever seen the bread like this at home?
Yes, teacher. It's spoiled.
3.
That's right. This is because by a fungus and a type of microorganism that make a food looks bad.
3.
Now, look at the second pictures. Do you know that yogurt also has a microorganism in it?
Next.
Okay.
Really, teacher? But yogurt tastes nice.
3.
Yes, that's because yogurt contains good bacteria called lactobacillus, which help with digestion.
3.
Next, let's see this picture. Why do you think this person is sick?
3.
Because of a virus, teacher.
Record sini.
Exactly, this virus is also a microorganism. For example, include the flu and cold virus.
3.
And finally, look here. Thus, rotten leaf have turned into compost. Who helped in the process?
3.
Microorganism too, teacher.
3.
Very good, class. Microorganisms help decompose organic materials to make natural fertilizer. Now, let's organize what we have learned. We can divide them into two main groups. Okay, who can give me an example of a positive effect?
Yogurt and compost fertilizer.
Excellent. Those are examples of useful bacteria and discomfort fungi. Now, what about negative effect?
3.
Moldy bread and sick person, teacher.
Okay.
Correct. So, microorganisms can be both helpful and harmful. Now, I want you to work in a small group and I will show you the same 4 pictures on the LCD again. I want you to discuss and write your answer on the worksheet. I will write 2 questions in the whiteboard. Humans are of the consumer environment. I want 2 groups to representative from you guys to share 1 positive and 1 negative effect.
3.
For a positive effect, we learn that bacteria in yogurt is aid digestion. But for a negative effect, mold on bread can cause food to spoil, teacher.
3.
For the positive effect, microorganisms help make the soil more fertile through the process of decomposition. And for the negative effect is that bacteria can cause food poisoning.
Great answer, everyone. So, even though microorganisms are very small, they have a big impact on our life. Okay, for your homework today, I do like you to draw 1 situation that show the role of microorganisms. For example, you can mention yogurt or spoil a food. Okay, good job, everyone. Thank you and see you next week.
Nah, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
I think for the process,
A positive effect, we learn that bacteria
position. And for the negative, aku tengok is also
Kan dapat tu.
No responde pero siempre tira un like y eso me dio